expansion plans are very much an aggressive plan. We are opening over the next 10 years at least 10 hotels a year. The UAE is our main focus for the time being. Last year we opened 7 hotels, and this year we're going to be opening another 7 hotels and 3 hotels in Q1 of the year after. So 45 hotels by the end of 2012 and 36 operating today. So it's a very aggressive plan, and things are going in the right direction for us. The plans that we have outside the region are also as aggressive as they are in the UAE. We're opening up a hotel in Erbil, which is in the north of Iraq, one of the first new hotel chains to get into the new Iraq, so to speak. Doha is going to be a new market for us this year. We're opening up another hotel in Sudan. So we need to be, and we are going to be in the very near future, in every major city in the Middle East. And that was really the vision of our chairman and president. Our growth is our greatest achievement. What we've done is over the years is develop a strong platform to be able to take on more and more business as we grow. And we've still got many more to come. 70 hotels by 2013 is quite a rapid growth for such a small company in such a short period of time. We know the market very well. We're focused on the Middle East, we're focused on the UAE, and our owners and investors appreciate that. Dubai today is enjoying extremely high occupancy levels, and will continue to do so, even with an increase of inventory. What's driving business into Dubai today is that today you can actually stay in Dubai for a lot cheaper than you ever could in the past couple of years. We have 4 brands that we want to talk about. We want to show our investors, possibly new investors, business people, travel agents, and so many people what Rotana has to offer in the region. And it's always been our favorite exhibition. And we feel that by showcasing these four brands, we're going to be able to sign more contracts going forward, and also thank our very important travel agents for selling us throughout the year.